Welcome back again everyone. In the previous sections 1, 2, 3, 4 we have seen the common 81 shortcut keys part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Those are moving cursors, selections, font options, paragraph options. Now today we are going to take some other general shortcut keys. See here, first one, control insert. Control insert button happens only when you select any word or phrase. So here I zoom it, here I double click it, I get selected. Control insert is to copy a content or any other clipboard that will be stored using control button and insert key button. Now it should be pasted somewhere. So I keep away the cursor somewhere in a gap and I use shift insert. So shift insert is to paste the copied content, control insert to copy the content. In the same way, after selecting the cursor, selecting the content, control C to copy the content and control V to paste. In place of control C and control V, you can use control insert and shift insert. And control X is to cut away the content from the place and to be pasted another way. So I select a paragraph capital and control X button. So control X, it has been cut from there and to be placed. So I move the cursor some other place in between somewhere here and I place control V. So it has been moved from here and came back to here. Now control F, what is to find any word or phrase. So control F, it is telling to me find a word here on the left side. I want to find a word many. It is going on. See how it is going on a particular paragraph where it finds it is highlighted the background. That is to find any particular phrase or word like that you can use it. Now control H, I want to find and replace a particular word. So I use control H. It is asking to write a find word. It is case sensitive. You can set as case sensitive with more options. Find a whole word only or match case. Match case is nothing but or change cases like uppercase, lowercase, in the whatever way we write in the find word, that should be matched, and that should be matched and it replaced with as a small letter to capital letter M A N Y. So just I close this button. Just if I say replace all, wherever it is there, it replaces all. First I find it, the cursor moves over there, here somewhere in the behind, here you see, and I replace it. In that particular position, it has been changed to many here and moved to next place. So wherever the small letter many should come to capital letter M and NE. So I set as a match case. So it places only in that. Find whole words on it. That should be a whole word. It should be a separate word. It should not mix with any other word. If I say year, Y-E-A-R, in that if I write year, E-A-R to Y-E-A in year, Y-E-A-R, there is year word also. It should not like that. So find whole word and match case. Whole word means only many words should be there. Many like that. If I write year, Y-E-A-R, in that E-A-R is there. It should not be like that. Only here, Y-E-A-R like that. So in that same way I wrote here many. In the only that many words should be replaced with like that. So I replace all. Now it is showing me 77 words on it has been replaced. Further completed 33 replacements have done totally. Okay. See wherever it is there, it has been capitalized M. In this way we can use it, find and replace. Control G. We have so many pages. Control G. Here it is asking to page number 1. As I want to go page number 1, enter. The cursor moves to first page. I know number 2 page, enter. And again use number 3, enter. See, if you have created footnotes, bookmarks, if you are using the options, you can select here and write a particular bookmark name and click go to. It goes to that particular position. Now it is there. F5. F5 is also another option for go to. So F5 function key is asking the same thing. The control G, where we use control G, the same thing we can use F5 or Control G in both cases. Now some other shortcut keys are there. General shortcut is F1 for help on any Windows application. F1 you find it, by default it's open. It asks you to write the content. Otherwise, if you select any something, if you press F1, what happens you see. It is connecting somewhere. It is trying to find it. Next, F6, switch between windows. Now here, I am here, my cursor is here. I am pressing F6. The cursor position changes to here. See the status bar. Again I press F6. Now shifted to menu. Now again F6. It came to the window. Here blinking cursor. Again F6. Shift to the status bar. Like that it can be moved between panes. Now F7. Spelling and grammar. Where you write in words, you find spelling and grammar. It is telling grit. I wrote something. It should be replaced with grit. It says. If I say ignore all, it will be ignored to replace. If I tell change at that particular word will be changed, or change all, wherever it appears grid, it will be changed. If I say like that, the spelling, like, see, if it is also sound, it's like that. Now change all, I said, it will be changed. It has been changing. So I don't want this naga to be replaced. So I say ignore all. Wherever you want, you can use that function key and use it for spelling and grammar. F10, active menu, activate menu, like F10. So like that, menus will be activated. Now here after Control O, what is Control O? Open a file on any other to do it. Already I find, I don't want it, I am going back. Control N means a new file to be opened. Control N. It has been opened a new document file. I don't want that. Control S to save. Now whatever the made changes, I need Control S. Control plus S to ask you to save. By default it is not showing because already it's saved with the name as Control S. Now I say F12. Now it is telling to save with a duplicate copy or with the same name. If I say just save, it is saved because there are not many changes there. Now I made some changes. Some writing I wrote and I press F12. Now it is asking save. It is saved. I want to make a duplicate, I write another name of it. That's it. Control P, where you get print options to print a file like that here. Wherever you options, you can select it and print it. Next, Alt spacebar to activate the menus for window activations. You can use this. When it is, you can use it. Now I am not pressing that. No. You have a after control button, you have a window button in that. It will be used as a pop-up menu. I press anywhere and use the keyboard. It opens me the pop-up menu. Right click of the mouse is alternative. As you right click of the mouse, you get a pop-up menu. The same keyboard after control button, you have a button. You press that, you get the pop-up menus. So control Z. Now whatever the previous command you have done to be undone. So control. Previously I wrote something. Control Z. It has moving away. Whatever I have done replacing, whatever done, it is going away. But I want to repeat again. I say Control Y to repeat the same commands till what I have done. This is the last word I have done. Now Control K, that is to insert a hyperlink. If you have a net connectivity, you can make. Other you can write on your own. Like I write here www. something youtube.com/psr143 I say OK. What happens? Where I inserted, I didn't see. So why do you issue? Here it is showing me hyperlink. See here, right? Here it is inserted. Better, in place of that, you can write on your own on the screen itself. See here, it is showing. See, it has been inserted here. Better, it is not. It is a link which has been there written, but you can write here www.yahoo.com. Just automatically you will get a link like that. You can write, but some more other options is there. Control W. If I say Control W, that will, this window will close. I am closing this here right side shortcut keys and Alt F4 to close any application. Here first in this I am using Control W. See, yes, I want to save. It is gone. Either Alt F4 means any application. By default only one application is open for me. I say Alt F4. By default it is asking. Again Alt F4 I say. What happened that particular window? Oh, closed. Is it right? So Alt F4. Any application or window. Just before doing that I just say Control S. Now I say Alt F4. What happens? See, directly closes. Okay, this is all the sections for you. This is the part 5 and the end of the 81 shortcut keys for you. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you once again.